Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into this Coachella inspired makeup look. First, I filled in her eyebrows with my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. And now, as you can see, I'm outlining her eyebrows to give her that perfect shape with the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium. I love this concealer because not only is it inexpensive, but it gets the job done. Now I'm applying Fenty Beauty foundation on her face, and I did have to mix two shades, which is 410 and 420. To highlight her face, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Creamy Beige. Highlight is important because it creates the illusion of brightness and height on the areas of the face. This technique is done with concealer to accentuate areas of the face that naturally catches light. And this is why I love LA Girl Pro Concealer, because it does it so well. Now I'm just using my beauty blender to blend the concealer into the skin. I'm doing this in patting motions. I'm not smearing it, I'm not dragging it, I'm just patting it. And you just want to continue blending the concealer into the skin until it's to your liking. Now I'm using my favorite contour kit, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tan to Deep Contour Kit, to sculpt her face, and I'm using the color Espresso. So as you can see, I'm applying the contour along the side of her forehead, her temples to create balance between the upper and lower half of her face, and like below her cheekbones and around her chin. Just to blend everything and to get that sculpted look, you know, that snatch look, you hear me? Now I'm applying Sacha's Buttercup setting powder to the same areas where I applied the highlight. Basically, setting powder is for to get rid of any shine, help decrease any lines or the visibility of any pores. It basically is for to give that extra perfect finished look. So while the setting powder is baking on her face, I'm going to go ahead and apply her eyeshadow. What you can see here, I'm applying Trophy Wife highlighter to the base of her eyelids. To get the highlighter to be so prominent, I did set the eyelids first with my setting spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush off the setting powder. You don't want to keep this on your face for too long because then you're going to look ashy. I went on ahead and outline the eyelids by using Jaclyn Hill's eyeshadow palette, and we're just using a warm brown to outline the eyeshadow, and I'm just applying this to the outer crease. To increase the definition of the eyeshadow, I'm just taking a finer eyeshadow brush and I'm applying a dark brown eyeshadow color from, again, the Jaclyn Hill palette to the inner creases of her eyelids. And again, this is just to increase the definition of the colors and the intensity of the eyeshadow look. Now I'm just going back into her face, and to deepen the contour, I'm using my favorite Becca Cosmetic Multitasking Perfecting Powder in the shade Deep Bronze. To blend that out, I'm using the two shades Earth and Cinnamon from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kits to blend the contour and the highlight together. And now, this is when she is snatched. Now we're going in with my BH Cosmetics 26 Color Shadows and Blush Palette, and I'm using this plum purple shade. I cannot express how much I love the color plum on brown skin, dark skin women. It is beautiful. It emphasizes our cheekbones so well. Make sure y'all comment below. Let me know what your favorite blush colors are and what brand are they from. Let me know. Now I'm using the same Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter to highlight the important areas that we want to pop, such as the bridge of her nose, the top of her cheekbones, and we're just going to blend that out once I apply it. And we're just going to keep blending it until it's blended well into the skin. Now, as you can see, I'm using another favorite Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. This is my favorite shade, which is Chocolate Wasted. Unfortunately, I didn't have any lip liners, so I'm using the OG Grail lipstick to get me through, you feel me? You just gotta work with what you got. So my client mostly likes a natural look, so instead of applying a full lip, we did a brown lip liner, and then I applied a lip gloss, which I got from Bath and Body Works. I don't care what nobody's saying, Bath and Body Works have the best lip gloss hands down. So now we're just going to set it. This is the finished Coachella look. This is simple but also glam. It can be bold depending on your attitude and how you slay it. My name is Unapologetic Nae, and this is
Kennedy Light, UCF's Miss Yellow Rose for the Ziota chapter.
And you can follow our social media platforms. You can find them in the description down below. Thanks for watching.